Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today in math, we are going to learn the difference between place value and face value. So this is one of the basic and fundamental concept to do all the problems in math. So please listen carefully so that you can understand the concept thoroughly. Before starting the session, I'd like to say something. So due to this coronavirus, we all are staying at home in lockdown. Please stay safe by maintaining personal hygiene and please listen to your parents, children. So to know the difference between these two, first we must know what is place value and face value in detail. So this video is especially for class 1, 2 and 3. Here is the place value, children. Just have a look at the definition. Place value represents the value of a digit or a number it holds at the place or position. So that doesn't mean that the place value always tells us the value of a digit based on its place or position. Here, for better understanding, we divided place value into two parts, place and value. So what does the place tells us? Place tells us the location of the digit, whereas value tells us the worth of the digit. So place tells us the location of the digit, value tells us the worth of the digit. So by hearing this you may get doubt what are the places or positions. So the places for class 1, 2, 3 are ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Here we are having 10,000 so on, but for your level these four places are enough, children. So ones place denotes with O, tens place denotes with T, hundreds place denotes with H, thousands place denotes with TH. So when you assign place value for any number, you must start from ones place to tens place, then tens place to hundreds place, hundreds place to thousands place and so on. So likewise you need to assign the place value for any number. So just have a look at the examples, children. Here we have 28, 345, 628, 4323. So why we are calling 28, why not 28, 345, why not 345 or 345? Do you know? We are calling the numbers according to their place value. When you get any number, you need to assign place value always from right to left. Right to left. That means ones place to tens place, tens place to hundreds place, hundreds place to thousands place. So here I have taken another number to give detailed explanation. So that is 3702. So in 3702 we have 2 ones, 0 tens, 7 hundreds, 3 thousands. How can we say that? I'll show you now. Just have a look at it. So here in ones place we have number 2. 2 is in which place? Ones place. So 2 into 1 equals to 2. Here 0. 0 is in which place? Tens place. So number 10. So when you multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0. So 0 into 10 equals to 0. Here we have 7. 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. 7 into 100, 700. So how we got 700? Just see, 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0. 7 ones are 7. Next, here in thousands place we have number 3. 3 is in which place? Thousands place. So, 1000. Again, 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 ones are 3. So, 3000. So, based on this, we are saying 2 ones, 0 tens, 7 hundreds, 3 thousands. Here I have taken list of numbers. Can you say the place value of these numbers along with me? Here the first number is number 9. This is single digit number. When you have single digit number, that always comes under ones place. So 9 ones. The next number is number 13. 1, 3. So in this 3 ones and 1 tens. Next number is 54. So 4 under ones place, 5 under tens place. So 4 ones, 5 tens. Next number is 3 digit number, that is 345. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So 5 ones, 4 tens, 3 hundreds. 205. So this is same like 345. 5 ones, 0 tens, 2 hundreds. So here we have 4 digit number, children, that is 3652. In this we have, see, when you have confusion you should assign ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So based on that, 2 ones, 5 tens, 6 hundreds and 3 thousands. Here 9578. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So according to the place value, we have 8 ones, 7 tens, 5 hundreds and 9 thousands. So now we are going to learn about face value. We have already learned about place value in detail. So just read these lines, children, along with me. So face value of a digit represents the digit itself. It does not depend on its position. So what does it mean? In simple words, you see, the face value means the same number what you can see. So here we have taken a set of numbers, the same numbers whatever you can see, the face value of these digits is the same number. It does not depend on the place where does it live. That means the place value, whether the digit is located in ones place or tens place or hundreds place, the face value of that particular digit is same. If you have, so here we have number 5. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 1 is 1. The face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 6 is 6. For suppose if you have 9, the face value of 9 is 9. The face value of 0 is 0. So, did you understand, children? So children, we have already learned what is place value and face value in detail. Place value tells the value of the digit based on its place or position, whereas face value does not depend on the place where the digit lives, the same number what you can see. So face value represents the digit itself. So here this is the exam pattern you will be getting in your test in this way. So this will be coming in blank, and this is how they will be given the numbers, and one number will be underlined out of them. For that particular number you need to mention the place value and face value. Here the first number is number 19. 19, see, when we assign place value, so 9 comes under 1's place and 1 comes under 10's place. So now 10's place number is underlined. So how many 10's we have? 110. So that is 10 is the place value. Face value is always same. The same number you need to write. So that is number 1. Here we have 51. So number 1 is underlined. 1 is in which place? 1's place. So what is the place value? 1. And face value is also same, because here number 1, number 1. Here we have 42. In 42, number 4 is underlined. 4 is in which place? 10's place. So the place value of 4 is 40 and face value of 4 is 4. Here we have 3-digit number. In that, number 3 is underlined. 3 is in which place? You are right, it is in hundreds place. So the place value of 3 is 300 and the face value of 3 is 3. Here we have 4-digit number 6459. In that, number 6 is underlined. 6 is in which position? Can you tell me? You are right, children. It is in thousands position. So the place value of 6 is 6000 and the face value remains the same, that is number 6. I hope you understand the difference between place value and face value, children. For better understanding, watch the video again and again. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and share it with your friends and family members. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and click on bell icon for my new video notifications. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel.